Hello and happy 4th of July to all of my American friends and for all my Canadian buddies and members of Master Affiliate Profits. Happy Canada Day, which just passed. Today I'm doing a video to provide everyone with an update. This update is going out to all of my existing MAP members and to all of those people that are part of my MAP list and maybe considering Master Affiliate Profits. I've been helping people make money online for more than 50 years. And the one thing that I have taught people for years is about being focused on something that works. And clearly, Master Affiliate Profits works. It is a program that works and delivers everything that they ever promised it would do. It has the frictionless enrollment. It has the 90-day follow-up sequences. It has the built-in lead generation aspects with your private autoresponder. And then, of course, for members that have joined my team, you have access to my coaching and support, which I've been producing and creating now since before MAP ever launched. But the one thing that I can promise each and every one of you, MAP won't generate anyone a penny if they don't put forth an effort to make it work for themselves. And so I'm here to reach out to let those of you that haven't made money to look into the mirror and ask yourself, what have I done towards being responsible for my Master Affiliate Profits business? Because I can share with you that I have literally team members on my team that have now generated hundreds and in some cases thousands of dollars. In fact, I have a few team members that came in as free members that have already generated more than $1,000 each in gross sales as a free member. So when you're looking at making money online, what on earth are you looking for? You have a platform that offers you everything that you need to make money. And if you do have an existing business, you have a platform that is going to complement that existing business by generating you massive numbers of leads and being able to double dip, which Master Affiliate Profits offers. So today's video is to share with you some of the things that some of the people have grabbed onto and are doing very well. And the first thing is this site that you see right behind my video image. This is a free landing page that is designed to basically drive traffic for people that are interested in lowering their income tax level. Now you may be thinking, why should I care about this? Why and how does this fit into MAP? It fits into MAP because you're going to get this landing page absolutely free, whether you're a free member of Master Affiliate Profits or a paid member. And it directs people to a very simple landing page that explains to them how they can reduce their income tax by several hundred, or in many cases, several $1,000s a year simply by handing out this gift of appreciation card. You get this for free. So for the 30 plus people that have claimed this and are using it, they're getting results. Many have printed their cards, many are bringing in members, and many are gaining income immediately. I can't tell you how many people have written to me saying, thank you, Dori, for the free page. I have collected $10 sales on the initial sign up of people. I have created activity. I've created new leads, new conversations. If you haven't claimed this page, why haven't you? What is holding you back? I can tell you what's holding you back. The person that looks back at you from the mirror. If you don't take action, if you don't move forwards in your journey towards making money online with a program that offers you everything you need, then nothing is going to help you make money unless you take the action. So I want to encourage you to get started by simply going to this page here. And this page is mutualbenefitnetwork.com. You come in here, and if you're a MAP member, and you do have to be a Master Affiliate Profits member, either free or paid, you just simply come in here, you click the Join, Become a Member Today, and you select this plan. And when you select this plan, you're going to get this landing page for free. So included in this landing page will be your picture here. Your name will be here. I programmed this page to have a direct, and paid for it for free for you, a direct connect to you number. So when somebody clicks on that, you see my phone number shows up. And when I click on it, it says open, pick an app to dial, and it will actually dial you directly. It has a headline which has been proven and tested, and it has this video that explains the program, and it shows them the gift of appreciation card. You get all of this for free, but you don't get it for free if you don't simply go to mutualbenefitnetwork.com and sign up. In addition, this page actually has your link that leads directly to your Master Affiliate Profits enrollment page. See that? It works like crazy. People are getting sign-ups. So again, I'm just sending this message to everybody, hoping that some of you that are sitting on the fence, not making money, make the mental decision that you're going to take action. Instead of waiting for something to happen, make something happen. My mom used to say to me, Dori, if you want to make something happen, if it is to be, it is up to you. So I always say to myself every morning, if it is to be, it's up to me. And I take action every single morning. I'm Dori O'Neill. I hope this has helped you. If you need help, reach out to me, Dori@O'Neill.bz, or just simply go to my page and call me. That's it. Happy 4th of July. Bye-bye.